Hey guys, it's Max with MA Performance. I'm here on a Saturday morning with Eric. And we are going to kind of give you guys a rundown of all of our side projects that we work on the weekends. So we'll start with Eric's car. Been doing a tubular front core support and crash bar, all removable, all sorts of easy engine bay access. Tubs removed up front for right now. And then we'll do some form of bolt-in replacements. Still got all the finish welding left to do on just about everything here and all this stuff. Some of the fender and bumper mounts and things like that. We got radiator tie-down tabs and big old Mishimoto radiator, dual fans. Eric's got an LS2 he's gonna be swapping in here with a T56. It's a 240SX too, if anybody's curious what the body is. All the fab work was done by me. All the prep work done by Eric. I mean, so far probably 200 hours into this front end. So lots and lots and lots of work. But it's coming out super nice. He's also running the big CTSV front brakes on this thing, so probably gonna upgrade wheels, go a little bit bigger, 18s or something like that this coming year. All right, on to my project. This thing was built by me over the last 4.5 years so far here. It is a 1JZ with a Borgwarner S200, custom built manifold, custom built intercooler piping and intercooler mounts, and pretty much everything's custom built. All custom chassis. I have a set of Evo 89 Brembo front 4 pots for this. They're not on currently, but they will be shortly. Looking to make probably anywhere around 500 to 600 once it's all said and done, but not there yet. A little bit more wiring to do, some sensors, and obviously the timing kit needs to go on and things of that nature. Finish the plumbing, which is what we're kind of starting today. Eric's got a handful of my fittings out. Big box full of the big guys. So he's gonna have some fun today. Over here we have an FD RX-7 that is being prepped for an LS1 swap. Corvette motor, T56. It's got the Sikky swap kit, so you can see the Sikky the Sikky oil pan and motor mount right there. A few things installed up underneath the car there. Just about ready for the swap. Should be happening today. This is Dan Hamdorf's car. It's one of our front shop employees, so this will be one heck of a fun rig when she's done. Alrighty, now down to Kurt's E36. This is an L33 truck engine, but aluminum block just like the first two. Big Mishimoto radiator, slips in, clears the frame rails. Real nice, real nice. Kurt's been working on getting his fuel system all plumbed up. Got the Fuelab regulator back there. CXRacing headers down in there to clear everything. Nice little carbon fiber intake inlet headlight replacement. Cause race car, you know. Kurt's also gonna be running the AR5 transmission with the FABbot adapter kit, which I was here while he was putting it together. It was actually pretty well done. Everything seems to fit pretty smoothly and really nice. Hop in here, check it out. Kurt's 6'5". Kurt's a big boy, so he has to sit way in the back. But that's with the AR5 in it, so trans fits real smooth and slick. AEM gauge pods on top of some AEMD. This thing's chugging along pretty good here. Should be ready for spring. All 3 aluminum block LS based engines. LS2, LS1 and Dan's, L33 and Kurt. Should be fun. And then of course in mine is the 1JZ. I've also got cams, Pistons, rod, fully built engine pretty much. All BC Racing, or Brian Crower valve train and cams. CP pistons, Brian Crower rods. Interior here. Like I said, fully custom frame. So we pulled the cab off of the pre-existing frame, cut out the floor, and then repositioned it over another frame built up off the ground as square as we could get it. So interior is fully custom. Clutch in my brakes. Go to the back here. We got dual radiator setup. Both of these radiators were purchased off of eBay. They are larger cores for EG Civics. I'm pretty sure that's what they were. And then some big boy fans. And they move about 1800 CFM a piece. So hopefully that's enough to cool all the fluid running through everything here. Custom built gas tank, a DSM fuel fill cap that I pulled out of something we had in a garbage can in the shop back here. As you can see, the S13 rear subframe and suspension, which is the same as this car. So suspension and steering wise, these two are the exact same chassis. I might be a slight bit longer or shorter than the 240SX, but suspension wise they use the exact same components. CXRacing coilovers, Voodoo 13 upper arms and front tension rods, and then if you can see them, GK Tech lowers back here and up front. And this is probably just a third of the projects working on at the shop right now. We got a couple guys with some DSMs. We got Andrew's Miata way back over there. Andrew likes to play on the ice and in the snow. So he welded the diff, threw a hydro handbrake up in it. Made some headroom, I guess. A little peek, you can see the handbrake up in there. Oh, swapped in the racing seat, I see. This is just a fun having toy. Custom orange peel paint job. If you can't have fun in this thing, you shouldn't be driving cars. Everybody's always trying to have more fun than the next guy, so. Tons and tons of work gets put in on the weekends too. Me and Eric usually spend 7 days a week here. So, it's more than just a job for us, I guess.